Hey, welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update for Tuesday, February 16th, 2016. And today in our Tech News Update, first we have Microsoft that has been saying that they are working on upgrading the Windows Store in the next few months. Apparently, they do hear the voice of all the users saying, well, there's a lot more you can do to the store to have it working better. So they said that they are working on versions of the store and that first some insider previews will feature a new type of store, and also a upgrade to the store will eventually arrive to computers this year. So it's going to be interesting to see. I mean, it's not that it's super bad. It's better than Windows 8, but it needs to really be better. And I think they still need to work on this to make it interesting and have people go there. And also, a lot of people have been complaining, especially developers. They've been complaining that Microsoft doesn't seem to want to really help, and that's really scaring off a lot of people that want to make apps for the Windows Store. So it's going to be interesting to see, especially since Microsoft released numbers saying that more than 3 billion hits to the store since the Windows 10 release, which also hides one reality is that something like 60% of these hits were from Windows 8 users. So it's going to be interesting to see if they are able to pull it off at some point. In other bits of news, Apple has said that now they've actually fixed and reported doing 2.5 million changes to the Apple Maps service and app on iPhone and iPad. When this came out in 2012, a lot of people started laughing, saying, wow, what an horrible service Maps is. Well, Apple says that now, almost 4 years into the Apple Maps service, with the 2.5 million changes they've done, they are pretty confident they are as close, if not equal, to Google Maps, which is basically the most important service right now. And because Apple Maps is included in devices, I think it really needs to be good. I personally still use Google Maps, as I don't want to use Apple Maps. I don't know. I'll have to try it and see what I think, and is it really equal or not. But 2.5 million changes, that's a pretty big number. So I think it would be interesting to compare both Google Maps and Apple Maps now. Microsoft Edge, it's been actually the Microsoft Edge team has been saying that in the next Redstone previews that we should have on PCs, there is going to be more and more changes to Microsoft Edge, lots of improvements and also new features. So that's going to be interesting to see how Microsoft Edge will evolve with the times. Microsoft's really trying to make Edge the browser. And in the meanwhile, I've been having all sorts of little interesting details, including my bank that says, well, Microsoft Edge isn't compatible with us. And oddly, I've been using Edge with my bank for a while, and it's just funny to think that that happened, and that the um, Edge browser isn't compatible anymore, and the bank account, my bank says it's, oh, Microsoft's going to fix the problem. Yeah, is it Microsoft really, or is it you? It's kind of curious what's happening there. But hey, it's going to be interesting to see, and also see if Microsoft can reverse the trend where more and more people are moving away from Edge to use another browser. Well, it's getting closer and closer. It seems that Vaio, Fujitsu, and Toshiba will be creating a humongous company that will make and sell PCs. So that's going to be interesting to see. Also, it's going to be interesting to see, will they rebrand or use one of the brands that's already known. That's something that probably to look for. So and the possibilities of trying to make the PC market a little more profitable for them. They are really working hard to unite and try to make that big company. It's going to be interesting to see what will happen with that. And if you're an Xbox user, you might have had some and might still have some sign in problems. Apparently, a lot of users have been reporting that they can't sign into their Xbox accounts. And a lot of people said, well, I can sign in, but I don't have access to my backwards compatibility library. So Microsoft and Xbox team did release that, oh, well, there's kind of a problem and some outage, but they are working on fixing the issue. So if you still have some Xbox problems in signing in, it's probably not you. It's probably there's Xbox service online that has some difficulties. So that was pretty much the tech news update for Tuesday, February 16th, 2016. Don't forget that today at 3 p.m. we have our 90 minutes show where we answer your questions and try to help you with your computers. And also at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, we have our Learn to Tech. Today we talk about tablets and e-readers, and we'll try to see what's the difference between all of that and maybe help you make a clearer choice of what you want. Do you want, an iPad, an Android tablet, maybe a Kindle Fire, or something else, or maybe an e-reader? It's a complex world, and a lot of people ask me, what should we buy? So that's coming up today at 6 p.m. on Learn the Tech. So 3 p.m. Eastern, 2000 hours UTC for our questions and answers show, and 6 p.m. 2300 hours UTC for Learn the Tech. If you enjoy my videos, why not subscribe to my channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, let us know. We'll try to help you if we can. And hopefully you enjoy our shows and our videos. Thank you for watching.